The two-day Strawberry Festival, celebrating agro-tourism and rural economic growth, was inaugurated on Friday by Vibhor Agarwal DC, West Garo Hills, at Darak Chikgreg Playground. Organized by Megalion Age Limited alongside the state's Tourism and Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Departments, the festival aims to boost strawberry cultivation and support local farmers. Tera CH Marak, DHO, highlighted the rapid growth of strawberry farming in the region, crediting government support for the expansion. In his speech, Vibhor Agarwal emphasized the economic potential of strawberry cultivation and its appeal for tourism. The festival featured activities such as strawberry picking, horse riding and cycling, attracting visitors from across the town.
Starting the strawberry cultivation here, it's a very unique, it's a very important initiative on the part of Horticulture Department that can go a very, very long way in ensuring that the people here have livelihoods. The people here have more avenues of ensuring, of utilizing their potential, of utilizing the potential of the soil, of the earth that is there.
The Dorbar Right Nongpo has